There's a new feature right now that is helping small creators to gather a lot of views and subscribers for themselves. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it today. A beginner-friendly step-by-step hack so that when people clicks on your channel link, a subscribe box pops up automatically, meaning that they don't even have any choice than to click on it. And for those people that always watch a beautiful video and forget to subscribe, that automatic button is simply going to pop up and they don't have any choice than to remember. And even anyone that doesn't want to subscribe don't have any choice than to subscribe. Except they've hated you from beginning. I don't want your growth on the channel. You don't need any tech skill to set up this automatic pop-up subscribe button. No paid tools because it is totally free. I'm going to teach you how to set it up step by step without paying for anything. All you need to do is to just copy me, set it up, and grow. In this video, you're going to learn what the remix feature is and why YouTube is making a lot of people get views with this feature, and exactly how this feature is making a lot of small channels to blow up in a short period of time. You're going to learn a simple step-by-step on how to use the remix feature to get views for your channel, even if your channel is just 1 day old. You're going to learn the auto subscribe pop-up trick, the full beginner guide, even if you're using your phone or your laptop. I'm also going to show you exactly where you're going to paste your link so that people can actually see it and subscribe instantly. Now, here's the thing. Most small channels don't fail because they don't have good content. They simply fail because not enough people get to see their videos. I have a video on my channel that I've dedicated on how the YouTube algorithm works. You can do well by checking that video. I explained exactly how the YouTube algorithm works, how it starts with the fewer subscribers you have, and then extending it to more people to get to watch it, and then extending it and extending it. And that is where your impression builds up. I also explained the YouTube impression, your impression click-through rate, and how they all forms up to get you views on YouTube. So you may actually have a good content, but your content is not visible enough. The algorithm has not pushed it enough for people to get to see it, and then attest to the fact that yes, this content is actually good enough for YouTube to even push it to more people. Okay, you can check that video because I explained a whole lot and I exposed a whole lot that you can actually take home, and it's going to help you a lot on your channel. These things I'm saying is actually what I've tried on my channel, and I tried it on my first channel that had over 15,000 subscribers, and it actually worked for me. So every principle, trick, and tips I'm giving in this channel is what I've tried and is actually working for me. Especially this feature that I'm going to explain right now. I've been using it on this channel especially, and it is giving me a lot of views. I have a short video on my channel that has over 3,000 views within 3 days, and it gave me over 17 watch time hours. I simply applied these tricks, and that is what actually working. So stick with me to the very end so that you're going to learn this magic trick that I've been using that is also going to work for you. YouTube already knows that there are some people that are not interested in creating long videos, right? And because initially the YouTube platform does not give short creators the opportunity to create short videos, and that is why those people are packing away from YouTube to TikTok, to Facebook, to Instagram. And because YouTube is tired of people leaving their platforms to go to other platforms to build it up, that is why it created this new feature, so that people can actually come back to their channel. Those people that actually want to be focused on building only short videos, YouTube has given opportunity for them to come back to expand the YouTube community. And because YouTube has just brought out this feature, I'm wanting to see how this feature can actually grow and encourage creators that are creating shorts on their channel. It is doing everything possible to ensure that short videos are going viral. This is why as a small creator, you should use the opportunity right now that YouTube is actually pushing short videos to grow your channel. Now, here is how this trick works. If you actually upload short videos on your channel, YouTube is going to push it forward because it is on its promotion stage. In as much as the watch time you get from short videos are very small and it may not even count for your monetization. But here is the trick. By the time you post a short video, there's a place you can actually impute a longer video and then direct people to come and watch your longer video. It is when those people now come to watch your longer videos from your short, that is when it's going to catch as watch time. And all I'm simply saying is that your short can actually be a gateway to people locating your channel. It can actually be a gateway for growing your long form videos. Now, here's what I do in this channel. Each time I make a long video, because of course I need my long videos to get my watch time, right? Once I create a long form video, I craft out at least a 3-minute part of the video, and then I send a link to my longer form video so that after they finish watching that video and they're interested in it, they can come to my long form video. I see that people are actually coming to my channel from my short form videos. Okay, so don't listen to anyone that tell you that short is going to kill your channel, short is going to limit your growth, blah blah blah. It actually helps, and currently YouTube is using the remix feature to promote your short. Now, Now, how does this remix feature work? A lot of content creators are already known on the platform. They already have thousands of views, billions of views. Mr. Beast, for example, imagine you remixing a video from Mr. Beast. If you don't know, Mr. Beast is the biggest YouTuber currently. Imagine you going to Mr. Beast's channel, pick up one of his trending videos. In fact, all his videos are trending. So imagine going to that channel, pick up one of his videos, and then remix it. Now, what the YouTube algorithm does is that it already knows that people are searching for videos from Mr. Beast. And because of you have remixed a video from Mr. Beast, a known YouTuber that is trending all over Google, ChatGPT, every search engine, Mr. Beast is trending everywhere. Just pick one of his videos, remix it. His name is going to appear. When people are searching for that video from his channel, your own video is going to pop up. And by so doing, you are using his name to explore yourself. You're using his name to attract people to yourself. And this is not even going to cause any harm to your channel because YouTube has actually encouraged you to do this for you to actually grow. So this is simply the layman way. I don't want to talk so much in this video. This is simply how it works. And I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually do this to get views for your channel. Imagine you remixing videos from top creators up to 5 times or 10 times in a day. Now, the beautiful thing is that remixing does not even take time. In less than 1 minute, you can actually remix, input your title, your hashtags, your keyword that is actually trending for such videos, and you're going to get your views. See, YouTube is hard work. And you can actually do it smartly. You can actually dedicate one day and say, okay, I'm not posting long videos today. I'm going to post shorts today to boost my channel. And then go to the YouTube homepage and then you're going to select it. Just be scrolling and be looking for views on your niche, not outside your niche, please. Look for YouTubers on your niche. Once in a while, you can actually trend. If you see something that is trending on other niche, you can actually do it at least once in a week so that you're not going to attract the wrong audience to your channel. Because if you attract the wrong audience to your channel, they will not be interested in watching your other videos. So please always focus on trending videos on your niche. That is what you're going to use to create your reels. Now, imagine you looking for, just sit down one day and then look for videos you can actually remix on your phone. You're not going to any other platform, just on the YouTube platform. Look for videos like that and then remix it. It's actually a very simple step, which I'm going to show you. So without further ado, I'm going to go to my screen right now and show you how you can actually do a remix. Okay, so I'm currently on the YouTube homepage now, and this is me basically scrolling to see which video I can use for a remix. And then I got caught with this one. My attention caught to this one, and then I love the sound. I feel like it's a trending sound. So I just clicked on that remix. You see that sound, that sign, that remix sign. I clicked on it and then it's loading. So after it's done processing, I'm just going to, you're going to see that it has divided. It's going to show the creator by the side and me by the side. You can actually choose your landscape. Be the portrait, any way you want it to appear. Whether you want it to appear, you can see the select layouts. Whether you want it to be left, right, top, or on the bottom, you select. So I think I want it to be on the left and then click on next. So it's actually loading. You allow it to load. Like people are basically going to be seeing what is displaying from the other creator. So you can see, you take it to any length you want it to get to. And then here is it. You click on next. So once you click on next, what I'm trying to do now is to add a title to tweak it so it doesn't look, at least so that YouTube is going to see that I've actually added something myself, not just everything from the creator. So I just wrote, this is powerful. So once you're doing your own, just add anything based on what you want to do. And then after that, you go to add your details. So this is where you're going to optimize it for search engine. You need to add your title. Just look for something catchy to put there. It doesn't have to be like a full-blown title. You can just put something, maybe this is awesome. You can see I just added wow. Then I think I added an emoji. Yes, I added an emoji. So when anybody sees this on the homepage, they'll be like, why is this one saying wow? Let me see. That could actually, you basically impute something that is going to interest them to click. So I actually tested this on my second channel, and that video is currently doing so well as I'm doing this voiceover. So you can see YouTube suggested some hashtags I can actually use, and these are basically trending hashtags. On your own end, YouTube may actually suggest hashtag for you, but if it doesn't suggest hashtag, there's actually one particular hashtag you should not miss. That's the short hashtag that has 1.3 billion views. Like, a lot of people have used that hashtag, over billions of people. So ensure you add that as a hashtag. You add your short video as a hashtag while you're also selecting the ones that are going to be suggested to you. So that's basically what I'm trying to do here. This hashtags actually plays a role to help you optimize your short for search engine. Remember, we are talking about remix, and you basically remix just short videos. Okay. So I think I'm done adding the hashtags. You can see it's actually on private. The visibility is on private. So you need to turn yours to public, because if you don't turn it to public, nobody's going to see it. It's not even going to attract any views because nobody's seeing it. Then the next thing is to select your audience, not made for kids, because obviously your channel is not made for kids. And then if you look down there, you're going to see related videos. So this is where the trick comes in. You know, I explained earlier that you need to, the short video actually attracts people to your longer form videos. So impute a related video there, or a link to your related videos. Even if it's not related video, just impute a long form video there, and then click on upload shorts. And there you have it. So that's basically how to do a remix, and this can actually get you a lot of views. So remixing your video is to get attraction to your channel, to get people to come and watch your videos, right? Now, after watching that video, you know you need subscribers, right? I'm going to teach you a perfect trick that can actually help those people that came to your channel not to just go away like that. They must subscribe to your channel whether they like it or not. So here's what you're going to do. I'm going to teach you a trick. You can actually make them to subscribe to your channel automatically. Now, the beautiful thing about this automatic subscribe button is that when somebody comes to your channel, before they will even want to watch a video, remember you're bringing people from the short feeds and they want to come to your main channel to come and see your videos. The way the subscribe button works is that now those people are actually hungry to see more videos from you, right? Now they don't have a choice. Once they click to enter your channel, the next thing they're going to see is the subscribe button. It's going to pop up automatically. And if they don't click on subscribe, they are not going to watch. They are not going to be able to do anything on your channel. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say about this. When someone clicks your YouTube channel link, instead of landing on your channel homepage, they immediately see a pop-up box asking them to subscribe. This increases your chances of getting more subscribers because viewers don't have to look for the red subscribe button. It's right in front of them. It's done by adding a subscription confirmation code to your channel link. Now, the question is, what is the channel link? You need to first of all locate your channel link for you to then add this secret code here. We're going to go to our browser and locate a YouTube Studio desktop version, because that's where you can get your channel URL, okay? And then after that, we're going to add this one to it to get what we're looking for. So let's quickly go to our browser. Guys, I'm not even going to lie to you. Content creation is very hard. Can you believe that I turned on my screen recorder to record the process of taking you through the browser, how you're going to type to the browser, how you're going to locate everything on your YouTube Studio desktop version. Like, I was pointing everything with my screen pointer, and in my mind, everything was showing only for me to record everything. And I came back and saw that everything I was talking about was not even showing. Like, I tried and tried. It was not showing. I don't know what's wrong with my recorder. So I just had to go and take a screenshot. I had to screenshot the process I had to take screenshots to explain the process. So what you're going to be seeing now is just screenshots. Manage with me, okay? So I'm just using screenshots here now to just show you the process. First of all, you type YouTube Music Library. It's going to land you to this page, your desktop version, and then click on Channel Customization. Once you click on Channel Customization, you scroll down to see your channel URL. You copy it. Okay, so once you copy it, I've shown you the secret code. Just join it like this. Impute your channel URL in a browser like this, and then add that secret code at the end of it. Okay, you can see it's going to bring up this pop-up. You can see the pop-up that came out there asking you to subscribe to my channel. And when you give your link to anybody, the person is going to see this pop-up before they can do anything on your channel. Now, once people click on your channel, the first thing they are going to see is that pop-up. You need to do right now that you've gotten this secret link, go to Facebook, go to every of your other social media platforms and share it. Ask people to click on the link. You don't even need to tell them to subscribe because they don't have any choice than to subscribe if they want to see your content. If you enjoyed this video, do what you like, subscribe to my channel and follow me for more tips. Turn on your notification bell so you always get every of my tips when they come, okay? Bye.